Welcome to this video. In this video I show you everything about the 9 secret funnels training of Clickfunnels, and I wrote an extensive article about this topic, and as you can see I'm right now on this website. So I will also link the link to the article in the video description below, and also the direct link to the 9 secret funnels training. And besides that, I will also show you exactly how you can get your 9 secret funnels training step by step without problems. In this video. So I would say let's start. And so you can click on this button here, then you get redirected to the Clickfunnels sign up page. As you can see here, you can create your free account, which takes less than 60 seconds and is completely free. There's you can start your free 14-day trial, and so then you're ready to go. Then after you here you only have to enter your email address and create your password, and then you get redirected to the next page, which looks like this. And here you can choose between the normal version of Clickfunnels for $97 a month and the Edison Suite, which is currently based at $297 a month. And after the 14 days free trial, then you get billed the amount of money you have decided to spend on the Clickfunnels software. So then after that, you have to enter your credit card here and also add your CVV code and also the month, year, and the zip code. And after that, you only have to just click here on yes, add 9 secret funnels training. I'll check this here, and then you only have to activate my account now. So that's pretty much it. And yeah, so that's it. Let's get back to the article. I also answered here some questions about the 9 secret funnels training, which are often asked. So what is the 9 secret funnels training? The 9 secret funnels training is an advanced funnel training which you can choose during the sign up process of your Clickfunnels account, and this add-on adds 9 secret funnels to your new Clickfunnels account and gives you access to the incredible more than 3 hours long advanced funnels training by Russell Brunson. So next, what does the advanced funnel training cost? The 9 secrets funnel training has a price of $47 and is a one-time payment. So you pay this amount directly at the beginning of your Clickfunnels membership. And is there a 9 secrets funnel training download? Yes, after you brought the 9 secret funnels training, you can download your advanced training and you get your 9 secret funnels added automatically to your Clickfunnels account. So furthermore, how to get the funnels training directly, here I've included a detailed manual. So besides clicking this link, you can also click here on the blue link here with the text, clicking this link, then you get also redirected to the sign up page of Clickfunnels. And then I've included here some screenshots so you can orientate yourself. And here I just wrote everything very detailed. And a little note of me, so besides the 9 secret funnels training of Clickfunnels has Russell Brunson and Clickfunnels many other very useful products which can help you and your business immensely. And so if you're interested to learn more about them, make sure to read my Clickfunnels products article, which I have linked here. So you can click on this link and then you get redirected to my Clickfunnels article about those products which Clickfunnels currently offers. And I've also separated them in lists, so my favorite products are listed there, and I really think they're very, very useful. And so thanks for watching this video. I hope I could help you with this video. As I already mentioned, all the links are linked in the video description below. So yeah, thank you for watching this video and have a great day. Bye.